In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet journal in Notion. We'll set up a clean, flexible space so you can capture tasks, notes, and ideas with minimal friction using Notion's built-in list options. First, create a new page for your bullet journal. Open your workspace and add a new page, then give it a clear, memorable title like Bullet Journal or the current month. This page will be your hub, so keep it simple. Once you're in the page, you're ready to start writing. Notion gives you several ways to add and organize bullet points, and you can mix them based on what you're writing. Let's walk through the core options and when to use each. Start with standard bullets. Type a dash followed by a space to create a bullet. Press Enter for a new line. If you press Tab, you'll indent and create sub-bullets. Shift-Tab moves you back out. As you nest deeper, Notion automatically changes the bullet shape, which makes the structure easy to scan. Use standard bullets for quick notes, daily logs, or collections like books to read and ideas to explore. Keep each line short and focused so it's easy to reorganize later. Next, try toggle lists. Type the greater than symbol and a space to create a collapsible toggle. Add a brief heading on the toggle line, then press Enter and write details inside the section. Click the small arrow to hide or reveal the content. Toggles are great for weekly reviews, project notes, or sections you want visible at a glance but expandable when you need more context. They keep your journal tidy without losing depth. For actionable tasks, use to-do checkboxes. Type an open and close square bracket with no space, then a space, and you'll get a checkbox you can click. Add tasks in short, clear language so you can check them off quickly. If you have subtasks, press Tab to indent checkboxes under a main one. Checking items gives you instant feedback and helps you see progress across your day. When order matters, switch to numbered lists. Type a number like 1, then a period and a space, and Notion will automatically keep the sequence as you add, remove, or move items. This is ideal for routines, step-by-step plans, or ranked priorities. A few workflow tips as you go. Drag the handle to the left of any line to reorder items fast, press Enter twice to exit a list, and keep related content grouped by using the list type that best matches your intent. And there you go. Create a page, then use bullets, toggles, checkboxes, and numbers to shape a bullet journal that fits you. That's all you need to get started in Notion.